Now this is a spectacular car, one of the best, and I'm sure it's the best one that I've advertised for sale. This is a 2018 18 plate Range Rover Velar, but it's a D300, the 3-litre diesel, 300 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive. So it's quick, it's a very quick car, but it's got incredible spec. It's in HSE Dynamic, in Fuji white, with a black styling package, with the dynamic package as well, which gives the body styling that little bit more of a sharper edge, the rose gold accent, the deeper bumpers. This car's incredible, 20-inch wheels, but let's talk about the spec. It's got everything. It's got a factory deployable tow bar. It's got head-up display, 360 parking camera, opening sunroof, adaptive cruise control, upgraded interior, heated, cooled, massage seats, full electric seats, Meridian sound. It's an incredible car. We're pricing it at £50,000 on the nose. Unusual for us to price like that, but it's a great buy. Unbelievable car to drive, being the 3-litre 300 brake horsepower. All the lovely Velar features you get, like the sloping coupe style, keyless entry, keyless start. This has got privacy glass. The roof's a big one. An opening sunroof for a Velar is a great option to have. Lots of them just have the fixed glass roof. Being an HSE, we've talked about some of the spec. It's as good as it gets, guys, for one of these. The beautiful black finisher on the boot, the black Range Rover badging, assisted tailgate, of course. But then you've got some real special features. Velars are pretty spec sensitive for me, and this one's got everything. It's an incredible car. So here, the button for your tow bar. This car's got the pulling power as well, being the 3-litre engine. So that makes a difference. Look at that. Hides away nice and neat. You're not going to want that poking out when you're driving around in the car, but it's there. If you've got a caravan, that's brilliant. Also air suspension, something rarely to be seen on the Velar. So not only does this car look particularly well in white with the black bits on, it's got all the spec you'd want. The wheels make a difference. Look at the black styling features on the car. Even this little spoiler at the back, Tom, if you come and look at this side, into that rear spoiler, wow, I've never seen that before. I've got the air intakes in that spoiler. I'm sure that's an upgraded feature on this car. Heated rear seats. The leather is differently styled in this car. It's a different car. Rear climate control, something rarely you get in a Velar. So it's got everything, absolutely everything. What a car this is. Great on fuel, fast, looking great. Into the mirrors here, we've got lane departure warning. Because the car's got adaptive cruise, it's got lane assist. It's got electric memory seats, Meridian surround sound system. But look at the design on the seats. It's an upgraded seat, being an HSE sports seats, but full leather. It's heated and cooled. It's the 16-way electric seat as well, so everything in this car is upgraded. Little features you probably won't notice as well. The dashboard, it's all full leather. Everything's leather lined. Head-up display, massive feature. Being a dynamic, you've got the dynamic, smaller, sportier steering wheel. Heated steering wheel as well. Adaptive cruise. This car is incredible. Again, not everything is digital in these Velars. This has got the full digital interface behind the steering wheel. It's got the full touchscreen interface and the dual ceramic screens. Just looking at some of the features on this car, we've got park assist with self-park, okay? Popping the car into reverse, you'll notice the camera, 360 surround view camera, tow assist. All these things are extra, reversing camera. Then let's go back into the home screen, obviously navigation and Bluetooth. You've got in-control apps to sync your phone up. There's your tow bar. Being a dynamic, you've got a different driving style. You can tailor the driving mode with the G meter and everything. It's just an unbelievable car, honestly, really, truly. Into the seat selection, you'll see we've got heated and cooled seats, massage function seats, heated front and rear screens. We've even got a cooled glove box. So the glove box is cooled. Under the armrest, you've got loads of different cubby holes here, dual armrest, everything. It's a cracking car. Talking about it again, being the 3-litre model, it shifts this car. And it's got everything you're going to want from a luxury 4-wheel drive. Value for money for 50 grand. Yes, it's a lot of money, but for that you are getting an unbelievable top spec car in a great colour, in a great condition, that'll be prepared properly. The car will go through PDI, MOT, service if required. It's only done 25,000 miles, this car. It's been looked after, but it's just a brilliant example. It really, really is. I can't tell you enough about how this car is specified and drives. It's incredible. Thanks for watching.